I'm going to bottle some orange extract that I made a while ago. And it's been filtered once, but we'll filter it a second time as we bottle it up. Oh, that smells wonderful. Orange extract. Now, I did go through the trouble of making quite a number of extracts at the same time. I made vanilla, anise, orange, lemon, and almond. The almond was the most challenging, though. Okay, that's great. Looks like we got a 5-ounce bottle, which tells me that most of the other ones I made are going to take at least 2 to 3 bottles. Won't have to make any extract for quite a while. I'm going to let the last little bit drain here, then I'll be back. Now my lemon extract will likely take 2 bottles. Seems to be at least twice as much there. When I filtered it, the first time it filtered quite nicely. So there we go, second filtering, and into our bottle. Now these are little 5-ounce bottles, so we're going to have extract for a long time to come. Have to be careful with this one. Okay, I'll be back when it's... Okay, our bottle of lemon extract is full, and we've got a second one going. So cap and label. So there's our homemade lemon extract. So while the rest of the lemon is filtering, I've got a very large container of anise extract, which has not been filtered at all yet. So I'm going to do the first filtering here. Fairly quickly. And then prepare another coffee filter for the second filter. And I suspect that the anise might take at least 3 bottles. So we'll see what happens here. And as soon as the rest of the lemon is done, I'm afraid we're not going to put any more in this. It's already over full. What a beautiful color and aroma there. Okay, that one is fully drained. So we will start on a new filter again. second filtering of anise extract. Meanwhile, bottle and label the last bit of the lemon. Definitely we're going to get 2 bottles of the anise, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now second bottle. And second filter. Cap. And label. Oh, now the vanilla, I'm definitely going to treat a little bit differently here. We don't want to filter it. Okay, so not only do we not want to filter it, we want to retain the beans, because the longer they steep in the beans, the more flavorful. So we'll try and get them in the jars as well. And we're going to try and do 1 full bottle and 1 with all the beans that we keep adding to. Ooh. All the seeds are there. I think we want those back. Certainly adds to the flavor. Okay, that's about as good as we're going to do there. Next time I'll just start the vanilla right in these little jars rather than in a mason jar. Okay. So that's my vanilla done as well. We've got 1 5-ounce jar full, and probably another 2 ounces in another bottle. I better leave. Okay, so there are my bottled extracts. I ended up with 1 5-ounce bottle of lemon, 1 5-ounce bottle of orange. Oh, sorry, and a second, perhaps 2 ounces of lemon. Probably a little over 5 ounces each of 2 bottles of the anise. I had to fill them right up to the rim rather than start a third bottle with just a tiny bit in it. The vanilla, 1 5-ounce bottle, and another 2 ounces, 2 to 3 ounces, 2.5 there. And my almond extract, which is a little bit trickier to make, is not quite ready. But I did bottle it up. I would prefer that it matures in the bottle. And now I can store all these in a dark place. And because the bottles are clear as opposed to dark, I would prefer dark bottles, but these were available at a great price. So just have to store them in a dark place. And that's my homemade extracts. They're pretty easy to make, actually. Alright, well, have a great day, and thank you for watching.